Hi, this is David. We're getting ready to take a short normal system entry. It's already fired off here. Got to jump right in. 43.25. You see that little yellow line shading down here to the left? That's telling us we're at a no zone. Well, this normal system entry is a higher probability NSE or normal system entry than a standard normal system entry. Okay, this is because we're coming at a no zone. A lot of times we'll take an EET, an early entry technique. In fact, we got a lot of videos where we're taking the EET and following it down to the NSE. Okay, now you'll also see there is a pullback cancel. That's with the small X by the little hash mark there. It tells us that the pullback trade, which would have been a long trade, has canceled, as the probability of it being a successful trade has been reduced. Okay, on top of that, I'd like to take the NSE to the short side because it's a higher probability trade coming out of no zone. So normally I'm going for a 4-tick target on a standard NSE, but on a NSE coming out of no zone, I like to go for 6 to 8 ticks. Now, that's the golden thing about taking early entry techniques, is by the time we get the NSE, we're normally 3 to 4 ticks. So here's the no zone here. We're normally, and that's the pullback cancel. In any event, the EET would be normally 4 ticks on the money by the time you even get the NSE. So you add the 4 ticks plus the 4 to 8 ticks I can go for on this NSE, and you got a beautiful little trade. Even a 6-tick trade here would be a nice one. So that's what we're looking to do. I've got my dome set up custom, so it will take my stop loss to entry if and when we hit 4 ticks of profit, which would be 42.25. We're about right there. So if it down ticks here, we'll have our stop loss moved in. And the NSE, the normal system entry, that's one of the day trading strategies that I teach in my Emini trading system. Okay, and these are my favorite trades right here. NSEs coming out of no zone or EETs coming out of no zone. They're high probability winners. They're great trades. I love taking them. In fact, this is happening in March. We've had a lot of trades where these EETs and NSEs are delivering 6 to 8 to 12 ticks. Quite frequently, and then with the low volume and the very low volatility we've been seeing in the markets here in March 2010, it's just been a great trading strategy. And again, I teach all this in my day trading course, and we have Pro Indicator version 2. That's a software package that runs on the NinjaTrader platform. Nice little add-on. It's a nice learning tool. It's a very nice visual aid because it knows the no zone rules, it knows the pullback cancellation rules, it knows where the NSEs are, so it kind of makes it easier. Of course, I teach everything anyway, so you don't have to have Pro Indicator. That's a question I get all the time, is do I got to have Pro Indicator? I don't use Ninja, I use a different trading provider, and the answer is no. I teach you everything you need. You just won't have all the visuals that we have with Pro Indicator, but you can still learn the system without it. So hopefully this trade will downtick here enough. The goal here is to at least see 4 ticks profit so we can get our stop loss down to entry, so our risk is greatly reduced to just really negative slippage. Here we go. So if it were to bounce up now, more than likely we'd get stopped out even, but there's always a chance for negative slippage because it's a stop loss, of course, is a market order. I could also just take 4 ticks off this trade, but I want to take 6 ticks is to show you as the NSE coming out of no zone is such a strong winner. But of course they don't always win. Oh, here we go. And we're off. There you go. So good example of an NSE coming out of no zone. So thanks for watching.